Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link your phone to Windows PC. Alright, let's begin. In order to do this, you need an app called Phone Link. If don't have one, simply go to your Microsoft Store and download this Phone Link app. Once it is downloaded, simply open it up. Once it is opened, you will see screen like this. Now, here you have to select which phone you want to link to your PC, Android or iPhone. Since I have Android, so I will select Android here. Once selected, you will see that this will display a QR code in front of you. Now, what you have to do is pull up your phone and open up your camera, and then simply scan this QR code. Once it is scanned, simply click on this link, and after waiting some time, your phone will be connected to your PC. As you can see on your PC, it is saying you are all set. And now you can see you can use your phone on your PC. So that's basically how you can link your phone to Windows PC. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.